Четвертый класс, английский язык, звездный английский, домашнее задание, урок 35, часть 2, страница 86, 87, 88. English Starlight for homework, lesson number 35, part number 2, page number 86, 87, 88. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I am so glad to meet you. Thank you. I am glad to meet you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 86. 86. Exercise number 1. Listen and read the dialogue. Послушай и прочитай диалог. Why are you so happy today, Elena? I'm getting my garden ready for Fairy Day. When's Fairy Day? On 24th of June. And these are fairy flowers and fairy fish. Oh, what are these? They're fairy armadillos. Amazing. Now say hello to Faye and Fifi, the fairy penguins. Will you help me with my garden? Oh, yes. Thank you. Who will get some water from the well? We will. And who will feed Faye and Fifi? Will you give them a bath too? Of course. We'll feed them. The garden is ready for Fairy Day. I hope it won't rain. Bye, Elena. We'll see you next week. And now, do exercise number 2. Read the dialogue again and say yes or no. Elena is getting her garden ready for Fairy Day. Fairy Day is on 24th of July. Lee and Harry will get water from the well. Elvin will feed Faye and Fifi. Exercise number 2. Прочитай заново диалог и скажи да или нет. Number 1. The answer yes. Number 2. No. Number 3. Yes. Number 4. No. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 88. 88. The Fairy Garden. Exercise number 1. Listen, point and repeat. Послушай, покажи и повтори. Bluebird, throw, silver coin, fairy bell. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Sing along. Спой самостоятельно. Fairy flowers and fairy fish. Will you help us make a wish? Fairy bluebird, fairy wren, close your eyes and count to 10. In the magic garden, We'll make a magic spell. We'll throw a silver coin in the wishing well. Fairy flowers and fairy fish, will you help us make a wish? Fairy penguin, fairy bell, we'll see you by the wishing well. Boys and girls, do exercise number 3. Throw a coin in the wishing well and make a wish. What will you wish for? Бросьте монету в колодец желаний и загадайте желание. Что ты пожелаешь? Я пожелаю новую камеру. I will wish for a curly hair. I will wish for an A in my test. I will wish for a ball for my dog. I will wish for a present for my mom. I will wish for a nice garden for my gran. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow.